Have you ever felt the vibrations of sound calm your mind? Imagine if those same vibrations could repair your body from your brain to your DNA. Dive into the intriguing world of sound healing or vibrational therapy. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about how specific sound frequencies might actually influence our biological processes. First up, resonance and cellular vibration. Every cell dances to its own beat, and certain sounds can tune these vibrations, potentially rejuvenating your cells and nervous system. Now let's talk brain waves. Ever heard of binaural beats? These are when you hear slightly different tones in each ear, leading to changes in brain activity. This alteration can enhance mental clarity and might even help repair neural pathways. And it doesn't stop there. Some believe these healing frequencies can reduce stress and inflammation, paving the way for healthier cells and DNA. Though still in early stages, therapies like frequency-specific microcurrent use specific sound-like frequencies aimed at healing specific tissues. Plus, cutting-edge research in regenerative medicine shows promising signs that sound and vibrations could one day aid in tissue regeneration and stem cell therapies. So next time you listen to your favorite tune, think about the potential healing powers of sound. Science is just beginning to explore how deep this rabbit hole goes.